Autonomous Work Pod Versatile. The Autonomous Work Pod Versatile is one of the best mini mobile homes that Autonomous has to offer. This prefab takes from 1 to 2 days to assemble. Its outer layer is made of waterproof and weather-resistant material. The soundproof walls will prevent you from the headaches of having noisy neighbors. Furthermore, the exterior of this backyard studio shed has an aesthetic finish that will easily fit in with whatever environment you might choose to install it in. The Work Pod Versatile comes with a convertible sofa bed, bookshelves, a wardrobe, a desk, a coffee table, and a TV shelf. Moreover, it has all the necessary sockets and wires for electricity connections. You can set it up anywhere, from flat surfaces to rough grounds and even slopes. Arc Shelter. The Arc Shelter is a small mobile home that consists of a kitchen, a table for two, a bed, a fireplace, and a bathroom. It allows you to live completely sustainably by using the rainwater collection system and solar panels. The water collection system filters the water 3 times before making it available. This small backyard shed comes completely furnished, can be made an extension of nature by folding open its sides. The entire design aims to provide you with the healthiest living style possible. It even has huge windows to give you plenty of sunlight. Go Home by Go Logic. The Go Home by Go Logic is a series of eco-friendly small mobile homes. They are designed to reduce almost 80% of the energy used in average homes. These allow customers to select the exterior layer, base model, interior, windows, and flooring. This tiny house mobile home takes around 2 weeks to be assembled completely. Backcountry Hut Company System. The Backcountry Hut Company has designed a series of mini mobile homes known as systems. These vary a lot in size. For example, one has only a single floor while another has 2 stories. The entire mini mobile home is built from materials that are 100% recyclable. This is a huge step towards a healthier lifestyle that benefits both you and the planet. IdeaBox Haven. IdeaBox provides a lot of house options to you. These vary from homes with a single room and bathroom to homes with up to 3 beds and 2 bathrooms. However, as we are looking at mini mobile homes for sale, the best home from the IdeaBox for us is the Haven House. This house, which can also be used as a small backyard cabin, consists of only 1 room and 1 bathroom. Nodes Trillium Series. There are a lot of small mobile homes the size of backyard studio sheds available in the Nodes Trillium series. This series was also built while keeping sustainability in mind. It also provides you with 4 different room designs from which you can choose to add a personalized touch to your modern backyard studio of a house. Solsken by Ecocor. COR is a company continuously working towards environmentally friendly, affordable, and elegant houses. The Solsken series, for one, is something you need to check out if you are going for mini mobile homes. Clover House from the Solsken series has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. IdeaBox Confluence. Another house from the IdeaBox that makes it to the list is Confluence. It is an eco-friendly house that consists of 2 bedrooms and bathrooms. Covers an area of 917 square feet. Cabin 1. Cabin 1 has prefabricated houses that come with a bedroom, a kitchen, and a bathroom. These are built from sustainable materials and allow you to customize the furniture according to your preference. With the passage of time, moving towards more eco-friendly ways has become necessary. Research shows that using renewable energy has economic benefits as well. The above list contains small mobile homes made of sustainable materials that contribute to a healthier environment. Monocabin. The Monocabin is a minimalistic prefab cabin home that is made from sustainable material. It uses LED lights and needs no foundation. The outside finish is made up entirely of one color, white. The design also allows for close contact with nature.